In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to use these commands to loft components. Firstly, we'll need to create an offset plane, and then we will need to create two sketches on our planes. So come over to here to create sketch and select the first plane. Then create the profile that you want to loft and select OK. Secondly, create another sketch on your offset plane and create the profile as before. When you're happy, you'll have two profiles that we can now loft together. Come down in the Create tab, select Loft, and loft your two profiles. Now, if you wanted to make them hollow, what we can then do is select the face or the plane that we first sketched on and offset our faces. Then we can finish that sketch, come up here and do the same thing. We can then use the loft command again to make this hollow. We now have a hollow part. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you learned something, and see you in the next video.